Hello children, today I am going to teach you exercise 5C from Frank. So let me read the first question for you. In that it is said, find two consecutive positive even numbers, the sum of whose square is 452. Now these are the word problems. So it's very important in word problems to understand each and every word which is given in the word problem. So breaking the problem and understanding that how to frame the equation is a trick in the word problem. So you have to understand that trick first. Now here it is said find two consecutive. So word consecutive, positive, even number. These are the keywords over here. So exercise 5C, first question. Consecutive, even, positive numbers. So now consecutive means one after the other. Even means if you are taking an example that one even positive number is 2, then the consecutive even positive number will be 4. There is a gap of one number, that means. So if you are assuming that one number is x, the other number will be x plus 2. So let one number be x, therefore other number is x plus 2. Okay. Now the next part, it is said that the sum of whose square is 452. That means according to the question, you frame the equation as sum of their squares, means you square this number as well as you square this number, and sum means adding the squares is equal to 452. That means x square plus x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 452. Okay, now this is of the form a plus b the whole square. So you open this using the formula a plus b the whole square. So that is x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 452. Now you bring this 452 to this side, and while doing that you will see that this x square and x square are like terms. So you can add even this x square plus x square. So you will get it as 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 452 is equal to 0. Now this is minus 452 and this is plus 4. So when one number is negative and the other number is positive, what you do is you subtract, and the number which you get as the answer, to that you are going to give greater numbers sign. So here you will get 2x square plus 4x and you will get minus 448 is equal to 0. Now if you observe the equation, here you can see all these numbers can be divided by 2. So to get a simpler equation so that your factorization becomes easier, what you will do is you will divide this entire equation by 2. So here you will divide the entire equation by 2. So you will get x square plus 2x minus 224 is equal to 0. Now when you want to find the factors, so what you do is this last term you factorize it and then you group it to get the factors according to the middle term. So here 224 you factorize it and you will get the answer as 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 10, 1 carry over to 6 are 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 7s are. So you get one number as 2 into 7, that is 14, and the other number as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So one number is 16, other number is 14. Now when you are giving them signs, that is plus and minus, you should remember that the middle term is having plus sign. That means when you are grouping and splitting the terms, that time the greater number should get plus sign because the middle term is having plus sign. So here you will write x square plus 16x minus 14x minus 224 is equal to 0. Now group it and take the common thing from this and this. So here x plus 16. Here you will take minus 14 common. So your number which is there in the bracket should be same. That means here if you seeing the binomial term which is there should be similar to this. So here you will get x plus 16 is equal to 0. Then you group it as x minus 14 bracket x plus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 14 is equal to 0 or x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now copy till here. I'll erase the first part whatever I have written. So according to this I get x is equal to 14 or x is equal to minus 16. Now as in the we know in the question it was clearly mentioned that we want even positive numbers. So we ignore this minus 16. Okay, and we consider x is equal to 14. So if x is equal to 14 which we had considered as one number, what will be the other number? Therefore x plus 2 is equal to 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. That means the other number is 16. Therefore the two consecutive numbers, therefore the two consecutive numbers are 14 and 16. Put it in the box and this is your answer. Okay.